Hello students, it's Teacher Steve and we're continuing with maths word problems. Okay, today we're going to look at creating word problems. This is where you write your own word problem. I've noticed in the past this can be quite difficult. Okay, so let's look at these examples. Number one. Create a two-step addition word problem using the given numbers. Okay, so this is an example. They're giving you these two numbers, 1,500,000 and 357,000. Okay. Okay, what does it say? An orchard harvested 1,500,000 kilograms of oranges. It harvested 357,000 kilograms more longanids than oranges. How many kilograms of oranges and longanids did it harvest altogether? Okay. Keyword is altogether. That's telling you it's an addition word problem, and it's a two-step addition word problem. Okay, so step one. We need to add the amount of oranges to the amount of longanids to find out how many, the total. Sorry, this isn't the amount of longanids, this is how many more. Okay, let's erase that, it's in the wrong place. This is how many more longanids than oranges were harvested. Okay, it's not the amount of longanids. The total will be the amount of longanids. Okay, the unknown. Okay, so let's add those together. 0, 0, 0, comma, 7, 5, 8, 1. Okay, that is the amount of longanids. That's step one. Now we need to add this amount to the amount of oranges to find the total altogether. So this is step one, this is step two. So we need to add 1,857,000 plus 1,500,000. And that will give us the answer. How many kilograms of oranges and longanids did it harvest altogether? Okay, add them together. 0, 0, 0, comma, 7, 5, 13, 3, carry 1, comma, 3,357,000 altogether. Okay, there's that answer. And sentence, it harvested 3,357,000 kilograms of oranges and longanids altogether. Okay, wait. Here's another example. We'll look at this one quickly. Create a two-step addition word problem using the given number sentence. Okay. Peter's father bought a house. He paid it off for 3 times. He paid 800,000, 500,000 and 400,000 baht for it, respectively. How much did he pay for the house in total? So he could do step 1, 800,000 plus 500,000. That's step 1, okay? You could do it like this. You could put this in brackets, so that tells you to do that first, okay? All right, let's find that answer. 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 13. So it's, sorry, that's not right. Let's erase that comma, it's not in the right place. It's 1,300,000. That's right. Okay. 1,300,000. Then step 2. You add 400,000. Okay, so 400,000 plus 1,300,000. A lot of zeros. Okay, add them together, get your answer. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Answer, 1,700,000. There's your answer there. He paid 1,700,000 baht for the house in total. Two-step addition. Word problem. Okay, let's go to the next page. 2 more examples. This one. Number 3, create. This is how you might get it in an exam. They give you 3 numbers, okay? Create a 2-step subtraction word problem using the given numbers, okay? And here's the word problem they've created. A factory produced 1,350,000 bottles of water. Okay, that uses the first number. It produced 573,500 fewer bottles of juice than water. That uses the second number. It produced 26,950 fewer bottles of fizzy drinks than juice. Question: how many bottles of fizzy drinks did it produce? Okay, we need to look at the 2 steps. Step 1. This takes a bit of thinking about. Total, 1,350,000 bottles of water. It produced 570 fewer bottles of juice than water. Okay, we need to find out the amount of juice. We need to do a subtraction. That's the amount of bottles of water. And it produced this many fewer bottles of juice. Subtract. Okay, let's see. 0. See if we can find the amount of bottles of juice. Sorry. Okay, the amount of bottles of juice. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 3, you need to borrow, make that 4, make that 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 7, you need to borrow again, make that 2, make that 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 5, you need to borrow again. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay? Where have I gone wrong? Somewhere? Oh, I see where I've gone wrong. It's 500, not 0, 0, 0. All right, let's try that one again. I'll erase it. If you make a mistake, always try again. I made a mistake when I wrote it down. Okay, not to worry. Okay, let's get our black pen. Step 1. I see where I went wrong. I didn't write 500. I wrote 0, 0, 0. 1,350,000 minus 573,500. This is where I went wrong. I put a 0 instead of a 5. Okay, let's do it again and get the correct answer. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0. Sorry, 0 minus 5 you can't do. You need to borrow. You need to make that a 4. Make that 10. And you need to make that 9. Pay back. Okay? 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Borrow. Make that 2. Make that 14. Make that 12 minus 5, 776,500. Okay? That is the amount of bottles of juice. Okay? The factory produced 776,500 bottles of juice. It produced 26,950 fewer bottles of fizzy drinks than juice. How many bottles of fizzy drinks did it produce? This need to do step 2. Step 2. 776,500 minus 26,950. And that will give you the amount of fizzy drinks it produced. 0 minus 0 is 0. You need to borrow. Make that 4. Make that 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, you need to borrow again. Make that 5. Make that 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 minus 6 you can't do. You need to borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 7. Answer. 749,550. There's that answer. It produced 749,550 bottles of fizzy drinks. Okay. And number 4, an example. Create a two-step subtraction word problem using the given number sentence. Okay, so it gives you this number sentence. 2 steps, that's step 1, that's step 2. Get that answer? 950,000 minus 545,000. Step 1. You get that answer, then you subtract 200,000 to get step 2. A province has a population of 950,000 people. There are 545,000 middle-aged people, that's like me, and 200,000 elders. The rest are children. How many children are there in the province? Two steps, okay? The total, 950,000 minus the amount of middle-aged people, which is 545,000, that's step 1. Minus, get that answer, and then subtract the number of elders, which is 200,000, and give you a total amount of the number of children. 205,000 children. Answer, there are 205,000 children in the province. Okay, two-step subtraction word problem. Right, students, here it says, do and learn, okay? Now here, we don't have much room to do this. So I think we'll do these when you come back to the class, okay? I'll just show you how they're made up. It says, write a two-step addition word problem using the given information. Okay? Because everyone will do theirs differently. Okay? So I think we should do it as a class. It will give you 3 numbers, and you can create your own word problem. B, they give a number sentence. Okay? Create a subtraction, addition word problem. Okay? Number 2, write the two-step subtraction word problem using the given information. So these, here it gives you 3 numbers. Here it gives you a number sentence. Okay? I think we'll do those when you come back to the classroom. And the next page, 78, and 79, it gives you examples, okay? Just have a look what they're asking. Number 1, exercise. Number 1, write the two-step addition word problem and solve them. Gives you these 2 numbers, okay? Nana's father saved 2,500,000 baht in the bank. Her mother saved 1,450,000 more baht than her father. How much did Nana's parents save altogether? Keyword, altogether. tells you it's addition. Okay, and these are the steps. Okay, you can follow those steps, or you can write your own word problem in the space. Okay? When you come back to the class, we will practice these because you need to do it in an exam. And B is also, it gives you a number sentence here. And you need to create your own word problem. Here's the example. A publishing company sold 3,768,940 books. A half year later, the company sold 890,000 books. 3 months later, 615,745 books were sold. How many books did the publishing company sell altogether? Keyword altogether, addition. Okay? And there's your step 1. There's your step 2. Okay, get this answer and add that to get your answer. Sentence, the publishing company sold 5,274,685 books altogether. Okay? Yeah, I would, if you want, you can attempt those, but if not, we'll do them together when you come back to the classroom. And page 79, there are 2 examples of subtraction. Write a 2-step subtraction word problem and solve them. Okay? Look for the keywords. I think the keywords here are the rest was. Okay? Rice berry, how many kilos? Rice mill had 1,470,000 kilograms of rice in total. There were 723,800 kilograms of jasmine rice, 565,400 kilograms of brown rice. The rest was rice berry. Question. How many kilograms of rice berry were there? It's going to be subtraction, okay? Here they have a bar model to help you. Okay, this is step 1, find that answer. Subtract that from the answer to give this answer. There were 180,800 kilograms of rice berry. Okay, and the next one, part B, gives you a number sentence. 3 numbers. A sum of the school budget is 7,689,200 baht. The amount of 4,321,350 baht will be spent on a school building. Another amount, 2,568,000 baht, will be spent on building a cafeteria or canteen. How much money will be left? 2 steps, okay? Step 1, there's step 1. Do that calculation, get the answer, then subtract that number. A step 2 will give you that answer. 799,850 baht will be left. Okay, students. You can look at these examples to give you some ideas, or you can do your own. Okay? And we will do them in the classroom when you come back to school. Okay, this one is also subtraction. Okay, students, well done.